Hello friends, in last video we have seen how to learn single digit sum on Abacus. If you missed that video, link has given in description box. Now we are going to learn two digit sum on Abacus. This is ones place, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. But whenever we write two digits, always tens place is left side of ones place. So this is 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. We know that abacus supposed to be held by left hand, ring finger, tiny finger and with the help of thumb. So these butterfly fingers are only free. So calculations we have to do with these two fingers. On tens place, when we take the lower beads up, use left hand, index finger and when take it down, again use same finger. For plus 50, use middle finger and for minus 50 also same finger. Now we are going to learn few double digit sum. 20 plus 20 plus 50 minus 10 minus 50 minus 10. So answer is 20. Clear the abacus. 40 plus 50 minus 30 minus 50 plus 20. So answer is 30. Clear the abacus. When we need 60, that time use both the finger at same time. Plus 60 minus 60 plus 70 minus 70 plus 80 minus 80 plus 90 and minus 90. This is double digit shortcut method. Now we are going to learn few sum of shortcut method. 70 minus 10 minus 50 plus 60 plus 20. So answer is 90. Clear the abacus. After each sum it's mandatory to clear the abacus. 90 minus 80 plus 70 minus 60 plus 50. So answer is 70. Clear the abacus. Now we are going to learn few sum using both the hands. 25 plus 51 plus 11 minus 15. So we can see here answer is 72. Clear the abacus. 77 minus 52 plus 14. So answer we can see here 39. Clear the abacus. 85 plus 14 minus 25 minus 13. So answer is 61. Use proper thumb and finger for fast calculations. Thanks for watching.